welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a Dollar Tree haul. This is going to be my Thursday video, and then tomorrow I have a bonus video of a Dollar Tree DIY, so stay tuned for that tomorrow. But today I'm just going to show you what I got at the Dollar Tree. I went up to find some crafting supplies, which you'll probably see in tomorrow's video, but I also picked up a couple of other things, so I will show you what I got. First thing I picked up were these chocolate mints from the Andes brand. I don't know if these were left over from Christmas or what, but I love mint chocolate, so that's why I picked these ones up. They look delicious to me, and I'm pretty proud of myself. I haven't even opened them up yet, and they've been in the house for a couple days. So anyway, those will probably be opened up sometime real soon. Then I got some Valentine's gift bags. I didn't really need a ton of Valentine's Day stuff specifically, but I did see these bags and I thought they were pretty cute. So I got these ones here that are red and gold. So there's this one, these little red hearts, and then this one that says "Be Mine" on it. I thought that was pretty cute. And then these pink and white and gold ones. So this one has the heart, and then the pink hearts, and then this last one here says "Be My Valentine." I got those mostly for the kids for their Valentine's gifts. Maybe I'll use one for Dave if I end up getting him a Valentine's Day gift. Sometimes we do gifts, sometimes we don't, so we'll see about that. Next, I found this bowl, which I'm going to use because one of my Bath & Body Works candles broke, and the glass container broke, and so I've taken out the wax and I'm gonna melt it down and put it in a different container. So I thought I could use this as a sort of a double boiler type situation. We have these bowls at home already, but I didn't want to mess, food stuff with the wax stuff, so I got this specifically for melting down the wax. Next, I got these little party cups. I imagine putting ice cream in them. They're these little ones here with the gold stars. I thought those were pretty cute for a birthday party. I'm thinking maybe Miriam's birthday party, because she made mention to wanting ice cream party or something like that. So I think I can use these at hers. Her birthday is not till April, but as soon as January rolls around, I've got a March baby and an April baby, and I like to start planning their birthday parties well in advance, so I'm not scrambling last minute, although sometimes I do end up scrambling last minute anyway. But anyway, that's for Miriam's party. Then I got this nautical rope. This is actually the first time I've seen this amount of nautical rope. It's 30 feet, yeah, 33 feet. And I thought this would be great for crafting and DIY. Then, oh yeah, another Valentine's Day thing. I got the kids some Valentines, 32 Valentines in a pack for $1. I think that's a pretty good price. So I got a mix of Paw Patrol and Frozen. Both kids like Paw Patrol and Frozen, so I thought I could mix them up and they could just share these. Just a couple more things. I got another one of these circle mirrors. Because I really like doing the DIYs. Around Christmas I did a DIY where I wrote with the marker on the mirror, and they're just so simple, but they're a good size for doing sort of seasonal decorating and that sort of thing, writing things, and I don't know. I just bought it for decor, and now I have 2 of them. Next, for decorating and crafts, I found some burlap sheets. These are always good to have on hand, and they're not always in stock of these, so that's why I picked these up. And then also for decorating, I got font stickers. They are a nice sort of goldy, coppery color, and I really like that. So those will be good for crafting and stuff like that. I have a kind of a project in mind. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with them just yet, but that's why I picked those ones up there. And then for organizing, I picked up 2 of these like cabinet shelves. I have a crafting locker with a whole bunch of shelves in it, but some of the shelves are really tall, and I just end up stacking things and things start falling over. So I think these are gonna be good in there, and so hopefully I can get that project underway soon. Then also for crafting, I got this cotton lace here. I thought that would be really pretty. Basically every couple months or so, I'll stock up on crafting supplies from the Dollar Tree, just so that I have things on hand. If inspiration strikes, I can do some DIY. So that is what that's for. The next thing I found was, I think, my favorite little find, and they had a number of different animals, but I picked up the little hedgehog who has a little party hat on. This is so adorable. It is a piggy bank. I don't know if I'll use it as a piggy bank. I may sort of stuff some flowers in there, I'm not sure, but I thought I could use this in my home decor, and I thought this was pretty classy for $1.25. Lastly, I picked up this container here. It says flowers and gardens, so I picked up a similar one last spring. It was sort of low and more rectangular, but this one I think will be good for decorating. You never really can have too many vessels for displaying flowers, I think. So anyway, that is the last thing I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a video in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.